let's see how it is come inside. The Lash Luxury Saloon was opened early this year in the month of April, along with the much happening place in town today, which is The Thief. True to its name, the whole ambience of the saloon gives you that luxurious feel, and the saloon ensures to use only customers' favorite brands like the Kerastes as well as L'Oreal. I found out this place on Instagram and was fascinated by the offers they had put up there. I had walked in the previous week for a free consultation for my hair to understand what would best suit. Then it was a process of convincing Shri to also come along for a makeover. Though I had fixed up an appointment with the same person who had seen my hair the previous week, to my disappointment, he was off on that day. However, they offered me to get the service done from the saloon director himself. Okay, so I have selected my color. I'm going to be doing a hair color and then also a haircut. So very minimal, so I'm going to just try 3 foils right now because it's the first time I'm doing. I'm a little scared, but let's see how it comes out. Shri also chose his color from the color palette that they had shown us, and he was going for a brown shade. Shri Papa? I have chosen a red color. I'm really skeptical, not sure how it will come out, but let's see. Fingers crossed. இந்த கலர் கொஞ்சம் காட்டுறீங்களா? ஓ இன்னும் வரலையா?
கலர் இதில்
ஹேரில் தான் வருமா? ஓகே. Since this was my first time coloring my hair and I did not want a lot of color to be popping out, I restricted myself to have only 3 foils done. The stylist suggested a pop of red shade because that would ensure the color would be visible even though it is very minimally done. The hair partition for the highlights were taken majorly from my crown area so that it would cover my complete hair if I left it open. Though Shri initially had a plan to do only 3 foils as well, the stylist somehow managed to convince him to have 5 foils done. They have supplied the color. They've asked us to wait for around 35 minutes so that the color soaks into your hair and stays after the hair wash as well. So after this they will do a hair wash and also continue with the haircut and then the final setting. Let's see how it is. At regular intervals, both the stylists ensured to check if the color was soaking in as expected onto the hair. The stylist did not hesitate to reapply the color at places he thought was not up to the mark. After approximately 35 minutes, it was time for hair wash, and this was the best part of the entire process. It was so soothing and refreshing. People who are watching this and who have done coloring before would relate that many of the salons, they would just blow dry your hair once the color has been applied to ensure that the color quickly absorbs into the hair. This is done to complete the service in a quicker manner, but is definitely more harmful to your hair. This also leads to the color not sinking into your hair as much as it needs to, thus leading to it fading away much sooner than it should. I was glad that here that did not happen and they actually waited for the required time patiently. The salon also specializes in other services like nail extension and eyelash extension. Volume. I must say that they are pretty lenient with the products that they use, including the sprays and other items that they use for setting your hair. My hair color was not seen when it was wet, but the stylist ensured that it would be seen once it was dried up, and he proceeded with the discussed haircut. Hey, super good. Just showing you she's final look. The haircut is done and now it is time for setting the hair. They also give you a small feel of paparazzi while they click some amazing pictures of your makeover. That's the final look. Please let me know how you like the look. So that is done and we are really happy with the service that they gave. ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு that it's just like how we wanted it. So I didn't want much of color, just the way I wanted, and his color is also really good. Here you cannot see it because there's a color on top of us. So catch us on our next video. We are going for an amazing trip. A trip that I really wanted to go since a long time, and he's already been there, so he's not as excited as I am, but still follow our channel. And about the bill of what we spent there, I will put it on the description of how much each service costed us, and do ensure you check on how much they would cost you before accepting to do the service. So until we meet next time, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye.